I've been using BlendKit for about 3 years now. You might still know it by its old name, BlenderKit, since they just changed it a couple of weeks ago. Today I'm opening my real dashboard and showing you exactly what these things has made me. If you like this kind of video,
just press the damn button.
Alright, first the proof. I run 2 accounts here. This smaller one is 4 to 5 months old and it's made me $55 so far.
You serious?
90% of that came from the exact objects I've taught you how to make right here on this channel. I also have a second older account I run with my studio partner, so I won't show you the total since that money is shared. But here's one example. A single coffee maker on that account has sold 550 worth over the past few years. You upload it once and it keeps selling for years.
Nice.
Now let's actually get a model ready together. I already modeled and textured this one. Before we get into steps, if you don't have the add-on installed yet, go to blendkit.com, click the download button and it will save a zip file on your computer. Now just open Blender and drag and drop that zip file straight into the Blender window. That's it. It installs itself and you're ready to go. Step 1. The name. I put a prompt in the description that I use in ChatGPT to get the name, description and tags done in seconds. Grab it from the description. Step 2. Size. We can pull the real world dimension from that same prompt, and if you want you can even give ChatGPT a screenshot of your model and it help you write the description from that. Step 3. Normals. Turn on face orientation. If any part shows up red, select those faces, hit Shift and N to recalculate the normals. Then don't forget to add a weighted normal modifier to the object and apply it. Step 4. Clean up your scene. Before you do anything else, get rid of everything that isn't part of the model. Delete any extra objects, unused nodes in your shader, leftover materials you're not using, HDRI's lights and the cameras. At the end of this step, your scene should have nothing in it except the object you're about to upload. Step 5. Orientation. For a normal object, one that just sits on the ground or on a table, the rule is simple. The front of it needs to face the negative Y, which is what Blender calls front in the viewport. For wall and ceiling objects, it's a little different. First, join all the parts into one single object and apply all transform so the location, rotation and scale are clean. Then rotate the object into its final position. For a wall object, the back of it, the side that touches the wall, should face opposite the empties z-axis. For a ceiling object, that z-axis should just point straight down. Once the rotation looks right, add an empty and parent the object to it. And here's a simple cheat code if you ever get confused. Download a free similar object from BlendKit itself and just copy its orientation. Open it up, look at how the object is rotated and match yours to it. It's the fastest way to learn this. Step 6. Materials. BlenderKit prefers a standard PBR setup, so principal BSDF is the safe way to go. If you have no triangular turned on, select your texture image and hit Ctrl-Shift-T to hook them all up at once instead of doing it one by one. Honestly, a lot of my own uploads got put on hold before. It was always one of these exact things. Don't feel bad if it happens to you. Just fix it and re-upload. Go through the upload setting, pick the right category, mark whatever your textures are, PBR or not, and set the condition of your model, whether it's new, old or used. Once everything's set, hit upload. That's the exact process behind every model on my account. And since I mentioned that coffee maker earlier, here's the full time lapse of how I built it from scratch. Check it out right here.